All right, gang, we are at Wingstop, and it's starting to rain, so we're gonna go in. Wingstop, Thibodaux, Louisiana. Let's go check it out. All right, gang. Today, me and Mrs. D is at Wingstop. We came over here to Wingstop in, this is the location in Thibodaux, Louisiana. Now, I've heard nothing but not great things about Wingstop lately. So we decided to come eat here. I got the 6-wing boneless wings with the Louisiana rub with the veggie sticks. That was $10.79 combo. Mrs. D got her a chicken sandwich with the Louisiana rub combo, right? And that was $9 something, I think. Our total was like $21. I had a $15 gift card, in all honesty, so that's why we came eat here. Now, first impressions are probably everything, and let me tell you, my first impressions of this place is not very good. Okay, the tables are dirty, the floors look dirty, there are a lot of people in here just waiting for their food, it looks like. I have a feeling we're gonna be in here for an hour before we get our food. Mrs. D wanted the chicken tenders, and there's not even no chicken tenders. The girl said they're out of chicken tenders, which it's Mardi Gras. Maybe a lot of people ordered chicken tenders the last few days, because this is Mardi Gras, Tuesday Mardi Gras, and they probably had a lot of parades in Thibodaux, so probably a lot of people did order wings and tenders for their parades over here. But there's 2 workers back there, one that took orders and one that just looked like they were cooking. And let me tell you, the maintenance in this place is not very good. But they did have a freestyle soda. I got me a Fanta Zero strawberry. That's a plus. But maybe it'll surprise me. Again, I'm not having my expectations too high, but I'm gonna be honest and fair. We'll find out when the food comes. I have a long feeling we're gonna be here a long, long time. We'll see. Maybe I'll even grow a beard by the time the food comes. It might surprise me though. I never ate at Wingstop, I'll be honest with you. We'll see. I just wish they would clean their tables and mop their floors every once in a while so your feet don't slide and stick all over the floor, but nah, what can you do? Nothing, I guess. I'll be right back. All right, gang. It was about 25 minutes and we got our food. So, here we go. I got my boneless wings. I got veggie sticks. Mrs. D got her chicken sandwich. Oh, I'm sorry, I had it the wrong way. Chicken sandwich and fries. No, I don't like fries. And I got blue cheese dipping sauce. First off, these boneless chicken wings, I don't know, they look very greasy, but like they did drain them in the oil or something, but we'll find out. I can't judge. You know, it took quite a while for our food, 25 minutes, and they're not even that busy in here, but I got the Louisiana dry rub. I didn't want it to be too saucy and messy. Basically, a boneless chicken wing is probably just a chicken tender. That's what it is. I mean, it's hot. With the blue cheese dripping sauce, I mean, it's hot. I don't really care for that rub too much, but it's decent. These veggie sticks, I mean, they're just celery and carrots wrapped up. They're good. They're okay. Let me try one of Carolyn's fries, Mrs. D's fries. She said might like it. I doubt that, but. Fries are okay. What's that? Yeah, you get a lot of fries. Let me show you. You get a lot of fries with your combo meal over here. They didn't give me no ketchup though. Yeah, I guess you use your dipping sauce for your wings. I'm gonna be honest with you. Let me try another. I'll call it a nugget, but it's supposed to be a boneless chicken wing, but more like a white meat nugget, which isn't bad. I mean, I didn't want no bone, so it's can't complain about it. I'm gonna try it with the blue cheese dipping sauce. I mean, it's decent. It was like $10.79 for that combo, and you get some veggies, which is different, which I like. I'm gonna tell you what, gang. I mean, how was your chicken sandwich? Okay. Mrs. E said her chicken sandwich is good. I'll try that out in a little bit. I'm sure she'll cut me a piece. But, oh, she's gonna cut me a piece right now. How generous of her. Now, like I said, the place kind of scared me. It's not the cleanest place. Don't look like they keep up with the tables around here. But I'll be honest with you. Let me try this piece of chicken sandwich. Did they put pickles on it? They're supposed to come with pickles. And they didn't put no pickles. That's a big no-no. It's a decent chicken sandwich. For $9 with all those fries you get, that's a decent deal. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna give them my final thoughts outside, but the food is decent. What did you say? Mm-hmm. The food is decent. I was just scared. Probably for no reason. It's just when you come to sit down and there's a dirty table, it's like kind of weary. The drinks are good. I love when they have the freestyle soda. It's always so good. You can do all your combos, and they always have Fanta Zero, which I love. Gang, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts outside, but I'm gonna finish all this up, and I wish I'd have some salt for this, but when you dip it in this blue cheese dressing, that's good. That's good. I'll give my final thoughts outside. All right, gang, we're back in the car. We finished eating at Wingstop, this location in Thibodaux, Louisiana. But I'm sure all Wingstops are about the same. But first off, minus points for the cleanliness of this place. I mean, tables weren't maintained. They were dirty. I was really scared at first, be honest with you. I thought, oh, it's going to be a bad experience. But, man, they would just clean up the tables and their workers would get their act right. You know, they were screaming and hollering in there. But it is what it is, I guess. But the food was decent, right? Mm-hmm. Food was pretty good. I'll be honest with you. I'm surprised. I had the boneless wings with the Louisiana rub. They were basically chicken nuggets, and they were hot and fresh, and they were good. The dipping sauce was good. The veggie sticks, I love the veggies, you know. I love the celery and the carrots with that I had the blue cheese dip dressing, and it was good. The French fries were good even. I don't even like French fries, but those were good. And they give you a lot. And Mrs. D's chicken sandwich was good too, even though they did put pickles. But it wasn't my chicken sandwich. But I would have been mad if I would have had no pickles. But anyway, Mrs. D, I'm giving that one. I mean, it gets minus points for the cleanliness. Took a while to get out food, but the food was decent. I'm going to give that a B minus. A B minus. What about you, Mrs. D?
I say a B.
A B. A little bit better than me. I gave it a minus for it wasn't as clean as I like my restaurants to be. But a B, B minus, so it was decent. And $21, you know, for 2 combo meals. That's a good deal with a drink. Oh, and the drink got that what they call it? The freestyle, where you could get the Zero Fanta, which I love. So I'm giving it a B minus. Mrs. D gives it a B. It was good. We're going to come back. I mean, I don't know if we're going to come back to this location, but we got another 15. They must be desperate for business because they were giving away $15 gift cards online a while back, and everybody in my family got a $15 gift card. So we're going to be back. We'll probably go try out a different location next time. But if I'm ever in this area and we're hungry and I don't want to spend a lot of money, I know this place is here, and maybe next time I'll try the regular wings. So, and maybe next time they'll have chicken tenders for Mrs. D. But again, it's Mardi Gras time, so I'm sure a lot of people order wings and everything else for Mardi Gras. All right, gang, catch us live every Sunday night for a different type of show. And like and subscribe, please. It helps us out. I hope you like the food reviews. Do my best. If you don't agree with me, let me know. If you agree with me, let me know. And that's all I got to say. Adios. Later.